Here's a quick demonstration of the upgraded 2019-2020 wiper arms and blades on a 2017 Sprinter. You can see the fluid comes out of the blades themselves and evenly covers the window instead of spraying up onto the windshield. I'll show you what they look like outside here. Basically, the washer fluid comes up through a hose, through the coupler, and then down each side of the blade. Hard to see in the sunlight, but there are little tiny holes all along the blade, all the way up both sides of it. So yeah, makes a nice even coverage, and you don't have the splatter going everywhere as you're driving down the road trying to hit everywhere but the windshield where you want it to hit. It's a pretty good upgrade.